Top 5 Online Ways to Make Money for Students. Hey everyone, are you a student tired of being broke all the time? Well, good news. Today I'll show you 5 real online ways to make money even if you're still in school or college. Number 1. Freelancing. If you can design, write, or even translate small texts, you can earn money on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Start small, build your profile, and watch your skills turn into cash. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or science to help others learn, you can teach younger students online and get paid per lesson. Number 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok page about something you love. It could be gaming, studying tips, or funny moments. Just be creative and consistent. Number 4. Selling stuff online. You can sell digital art, handmade crafts, or even print-on-demand t-shirts. Sites like Etsy or Redbubble make it super easy. Number 5. Gaming or testing apps. Some websites pay you to test new games or apps. Imagine getting paid to play. So, which idea do you like most? Remember, you don't need to be rich to start. Just start small, learn, and stay consistent. Your time as a student is the best time to build your future.
Subscribe,